So friends, welcome back to our channel Learn with Gigs. In today's video, I will discuss with you and reveal my 2 secrets to get the job from LinkedIn. And I can tell you it worked 100% for me and also for many other people to whom I gave these 2 suggestions. And now I hope after watching this video completely, you will also be benefited from it. I can tell you nobody will tell you the 2 things that I will discuss now for free, okay? But I will tell you today and show each and everything step by step. You just have to follow it, and I hope many people will get help from it. So do let me know in the comment box about your feedback for this video, okay? So let's start the video, and before that, if you are new to the channel, then do subscribe it and hit the bell icon to stay updated with all the coming useful videos, okay? So first of all, I will reveal my first secret, okay? So for that, what you have to do, you have to log in into LinkedIn with your existing credentials. If you haven't made an account on LinkedIn, you have to make an account there, okay? So once you are logged in, for example, I have logged in through my LinkedIn credentials, okay? So this is my profile. Now what you have to do, you have to go to the job section here, okay? First of all, you have to go to this job section, okay? So as you can see here, I have few suggested job searches, for example, senior data analyst, lead data analyst. So since and how it is suggesting me these job searches, because my profile is related to data analytics. So as per my profile, LinkedIn is showing me some suggested job searches. So if I am looking for a specific job position, for example, lead data analyst or senior data analyst, so I just have to click here and see the jobs related to that. But I will not click on anyone, okay? I will just leave it as it is. You can also leave it as it is, okay? So since my profile is related to data analytics, so it has recommended me all the jobs which is related to data analyst, which is related to Power BI, because my primary skill is Power BI. So all those jobs are recommended here. So what you have to do, you have to just go there and click on this show all, okay? Go to show all, okay? Now since my primary skill is Power BI, so whatever steps I am telling, this is applicable to any role, okay? So if you are from different role, from different domain, you have to follow the same steps there also, okay? I am taking the just example of a data analyst or a Power BI developer. So for example, if I have to go for Power BI developer, so I will scroll down, I will look for Power BI. So here you find Power BI at LTI Mindtree. So I will just click here, okay? So here you can see it is telling me all the job summary, job responsibilities, okay? And it is asking me to apply from here. It is good, we can apply from here, but I will not prefer these jobs first. I will apply definitely for sure. I will apply for these jobs also, but these will be in my secondary list. My primary list will be the one which also shows who has posted that job. For example, let me take you this this position, this principal engineer database in Power BI, okay? If I click here, you see it is giving me option to easy apply, so you can apply it from here, and also it shows me is the recruiter who has posted this job for Kantar, okay? So this is what you have to search for, the jobs which shows the recruiter also, okay? Because once you get the recruiter, you can connect with that person. So the next step is to connect with this person. And also if you can come down, you can see, you can find her email ID. You have to just note down this email ID, okay? So after we have applied here, you have to go to her profile, okay? Send the connection request, okay? So you can send the connection request. For example, if this connect button doesn't show up here, so follow button will show up here, okay? In that case, 3 dots will be here, so you have to click on those 3 dots, and then that connect option will appear. So you have to send the connection request to this person, okay? And once you are connected with that person, you have to convey that you have applied, you are looking for this and that role, and you have applied for this position from the platform, from the LinkedIn platform, and also have sent you the mail because you have already noted down the mail that I showed you earlier. So these are the 3 things that you have to do. First, easy apply or apply, whatever is the option here. Then connect with that person, note down the email ID, okay? And then send the resume, whatever role you are looking for, you have to send the resume to that job recruiter, okay? And last, you have to connect with that person. Once he has connected, he or she has connected, you have to send them whatever you are looking for, whatever you have done. So these 3 things you have to do for any job posting, okay? You have to filter it out which are all those jobs for which you can do these 3 operations, because if you do these 3 operations, then definitely your chances of getting resume selected, or your definitely chances of getting the call for interview will be very higher. Okay, so keep these three things in your mind. Now for example, if I take you to the next page, to another example, for example, if I go for this Power BI developer Genpact, okay, so here also you can do the same thing. You can do easy apply. Here you can search for the email ID, but see, the email ID is not present anywhere. Okay, so in that case, what you have to do, you know this person who has posted this job, so you just have to click on this person's profile, connect with that person, okay, through the connect button here. And then since you have not got the email ID, so in this case what you have to do, you have to go to the show all activity. Okay, now in this case you have to go to the post section, and now she must have posted few jobs, and where you might find her Gmail or email ID, whatever she has mentioned there. So I will scroll and search for her email ID. See, in the first post only I got the email ID. Okay, so this is nimisha.snare@genpact.com. so now you know the email ID also. So the same 3 steps you have to do. So I hope through both the examples it is clear to you how you have to apply for the jobs. Okay, you have to filter those particular jobs in which you can perform these 3 things. If you are able to do, your chances of getting the interview call will be much higher. Okay, so this is the first trick or the first secret that I have used personally many times, and I have told to many people, and it has benefited them a lot. Okay, they have got interview calls through this strategy. So this was the first secret. Now I will again go back to the home page. So the next secret or the next thing that you can do here is, and look for the jobs, is go to the search option here and type smooth onboarding process. So I will take the example of Deloitte, any example, any company that you are looking for. So you have to write smooth onboarding process first, then the company name and the role that you are looking for. So if I am looking for data analyst, so what I will write, smooth onboarding process, company name, for example, if I take the example of Deloitte, and the role that I am looking for. So you just have to search this. Once you have searched this, so all those people who have joined recently to Deloitte or few months back would have mentioned about this company and would have mentioned about the smooth onboarding process that they have gone through. Okay, so for example, if I have searched for this, if I will see more here, I can't find anything here. Okay, I will go to the next post. Okay, I can't find anything here also. It is just showing the company name. Now going to the next. So here you can see this person who has got the role for a data engineer, he has mentioned this person, Sohini Banerjee and Ritika Mohindru, and the recruitment team for the smooth onboarding process. So from here you got the name of 2 people who recruits for this data analytics profiles. So what I will do, I will click on this. Okay, so now after clicking there, I went to the actual post that this person has posted, and now I can directly go to that person's profile from here, Sohini Banerjee. Okay, now you can connect with this person. So since follow button is showing here, I can't directly connect with this person. So for that, what I will do, I will click on this more, and from here this option of connect can come. Okay, so I will connect from here, and once I have connected to this person, then I can ask to her about any vacancy related to my role. Okay, so the same thing you have to do it for the second person that was mentioned there. Okay, and there is highly chances, because we are directly connecting with the HRs, with the job recruiters who recruits for data analytics profiles, who recruits for Power BI, who recruits for data engineers, who recruits for data analysts. So we are directly focusing on those HRs instead of blindly going to any random HR of any company. Okay, I hope you are getting this point. So I hope both the 2 secrets or 2 suggestions that I have discussed today, it is clear to you now, and I can assure you it will definitely help you a lot to get the job as soon as possible. Okay, share the video to all your friends and colleagues, whoever are in need of this. Thank you.